And welcome back to the DOGFATHER'S Toys. This is an update on the Grogu model. And as usual, when I get it recording, that's when they want to bark. You got something to say? Oh no. Okay, back. As you can see here, thanks Chewy, I've got the body of Grogu together, well, except for his arms. There's his little feet and his outfit, and I'll be putting his head on that. So, this is a update. So, I'll be back when I get some more done. And I'm back. And I finished one of the two Grogus that came with the model kit. This is the bigger one. So he came out pretty good. As you can see, he's got his arms outstretched, or you can put them down. And I chose that face because I don't know why, but I just like it. Turn around here. There's his rear side. So, I think he came out pretty good. I did use a little bit of glue. I mean, my fingers are... I don't know what happened. It just, all of a sudden, it just like exploded. But it'll come off sooner or later. And I put the stickers in the ears. They weren't water-based. They were just like regular stickers for his ears and make them pink. So and tomorrow I'll start working on the little one that goes with the Mandalorian. So, and let's see here. I'm trying to show you something here, but the phone don't want to cooperate. Well, I don't want to work at all. That away. Well, I paused it for a second, see if I do it, but what you got here, his hands can go in and out of his sleeve. This arm's a little, his right arm's a little bit, loose. Because it was, the thing it goes into, you install after you put the body on, then you got to try to put the arm in there and pop it into place, and wasn't that easy. So I think it's just like half there, or I mean half in. And his head's on a pivot too. So, but that's Grogu. And like I said, tomorrow I'll work on the littler one that's in the little pod. So, until next time, I'll see you out there. Bye-bye.